told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what.
Good morning or good evening, good afternoon everyone. My name is Sharif and today let's talk about how we can import goods from Turkey at a reasonable price. I know most of you really want to buy things from Turkey, you want to import, you're trying to compare, should I go to China or should I come to Turkey? Which one should I go for? Of course, quality wise you cannot challenge Turkey. But if you want to quantity wise, you can go to China. So there's a difference between quality and quantity. So this is one thing. Secondly, too, when people come to Turkey, they all get stuck in one city, which all of us we know is Istanbul. But the question is that Istanbul is just a market center where everyone produces their goods from all different cities and they bring it to Istanbul to sell. So when those goods get to Istanbul, the prices get what? Increased, or the prices, at least the prices there get they increase the prices. Now the best thing here is that instead of you to go to Istanbul, if you are buying something like, let's say you want to buy 40-feet container of doors, or you want to buy 500 doors, let's say for example, you don't have to go to Istanbul. There are other places where you can go to the main factory there, you see how the production being done, you place your order, and then the container will come and pick you up, will come and pick the goods from there and ship them for you. You don't have to worry. So now, why am I saying this? I was, last year, 2021, I was in Istanbul, okay? My main goal was to survey or see what is really happening over there. Because most often, what I do is that I accept orders from people from US, from Ghana, from Nigeria, and then we just do the shipment from the factory. So they bring the container and come and load the goods from the factory and they ship them. But I was wondering why most people just come and they get stuck in Istanbul. They say, oh, we are in Istanbul. Now, because Istanbul is very crowded, it's over 20 million population of people. Now, when you get there, everyone is a hustler. Everyone is hustling you. So what I realized is that when I try to ask some questions, everyone that will link you to another person also have that connection. Like he's not sending the main source. So I was wondering what is really happening. So I realized that most people that come to Turkey, they get stuck in Istanbul and they thought everything is in Istanbul. Yes, Istanbul is very big, enjoyment, it has a lot of facilities, but that is not the right place for you to buy your goods. The right place is that where are the factories? How can I locate the factories? And which companies can we trust? Now, I'm working with a company for almost like 3 years now. What we do is that we accept orders and we ship the goods from Turkey here to anywhere in the world. So what we do is that instead of you to just come and go to Istanbul and be buying from retailers or wholesalers who also bought in a large quantity they are reselling, we will take your order and we will go to the factory and then we place the order over there. So we have been doing this for about 3 years now, as I said, 3 years now. So, and we realize that most of the people are no more going to Istanbul, but when they come, they land in Istanbul all right. Then after that, we will take them around and they show them every place. Now, before you come, the most important thing is that let us know exactly what you want. Like, be specific. That I want this, I want that, I want that. That's it. Then we will make the factory to start production before you come. So if you are buying a large quantity, let's say you are buying like a 20-feet container or 40-feet container. So we can make this arrangement for you. Or you have a brand, you want to customize it. You want to customize a hoodie. It can be a suit. It can be anything that you want to customize. So just let us know. We will go to the factory, speak with the boss, and strike the price to the minimum so that you can also make some profit. Now, why are we doing this? We are doing this because over the last year, there are a lot of things that is happening in Istanbul. People send order, or they accept orders and they send the goods. The goods get stuck. They don't know who to trace. So what we do is that our company, what we do is that we will help you with the production, from the production level to the shipment level. So if you want, okay, I want to come, you will come, we will take the factory, you stand there. If you want to be there until the production is being done, we take you there. You'll be there, the thing will be loaded, either if it is by flight, if it is by sea, you'll be there. Now when the goods are now gone now, you cannot move out. So we have been doing this for almost like 3 years, as I said. So the good thing here is that when you come, don't think everything is based in Istanbul. Istanbul is a place where it's made up of about 20 million people, and then about 5 million are foreigners. About 5 million are foreigners. So you should know that that Istanbul is like it's a big marketplace where you can just go and buy anything at all. But if you want to buy something for business wise, Istanbul is not the best option for you, unless you just want to buy something and just go for one time. But if you really want to work work in a large quantity, you just hit me up. I'm going to leave our company number on the screen. Call us or send us email. We'll get back to you and then send us your specification, and we'll walk you through how you can do that. If you want to come in, we'll let you come in. We'll take the factory, you stand there from the production level to the shipment level. Now, as I was saying, Istanbul is not the hub for Turkish market. It's just like a place where everyone is selling. So when you reach there, you just also have to join them and start buy anything at all. At the end of the day, we have to realize it's expensive. We had scenarios where people come in, then later on they realize that what they bought from Istanbul is expensive. So we told them, yes, that's true, because most of you, when you come, because what you hear outside is that it's Istanbul, but Istanbul is not the hub. Because when you talk of furniture, there are places where you can get furniture for a cheaper price. If you talk of doors, there are main hub for doors. If you talk about carpet, there are main hub for carpet in Turkey. If you talk about lighting, there are main hub for lighting. If you talk about suits, there are main hub for suits. So Istanbul is a place where they bring all those things and they are reselling. So what I'm trying to say is that when you are coming, please, the idea that it is Istanbul should not be the main thing. There are other places also as well. And then one good thing about Turkish market is that there are some quality, or you cannot go below that. So they made it a standard that if it is below this quality, we don't accept, we will not be able to produce for you. So they have a standard and they have the highest quality. So this is one good thing about the Turkish market. It's not like a China where if you want any quality at all, they can produce for you. No, in Turkey it doesn't work like that. So that's why it is also very good to work with a registered company and a reputable company that has a very good history. Because if you think that you can just saw someone online, start working with that person, be careful. The person can work unless you have the chance to come in. That's why we don't have any issue if you want to come in. If you want to come in, come. We will take you around. We'll show you the factory. You make your order, place your order. That's not the problem. After the production, if you want to stay in until the production is being done, you will stay in. Then the shipment, we will do everything, because we handle from the production to the shipment, because the logistic company is for us, and then as well as the factory also. We have agreement with so many factories when it comes to doors, furniture, carpets, and the lighting and the building materials as well. And then when it comes to textiles, that one is so many. We have so many factories that we are dealing with. So please, if you really want to do something or want to buy something for a business wise, not a personal use, but a business wise, please hit me up on this line or hit our company line. Then we will help you or guide you to show you how you can really do business with Turkish market. Because Turkish market, trust me, it is very frustrating. One, the language barrier. Second, the people, if you don't really have a trusted supplier, you will lose your money. And secondly, if you are not working with a trusted or very reputable or someone who really understands, who know how Turkish market or Turkish suppliers work, you will lose all your money. You will even regret that you are dealing with Turkish market. Now, there are instances, there are someone who once contacted me from US, when I told them, listen, if you really want to buy something like 500 pieces of bags, I can let the factory produce that for you. But if you want to buy like, let's say 50, I can just get that one from the market for you and they will ship it them for you. He said, no, I already have someone in Istanbul, he can handle it. I said, okay. I didn't say anything. So I was there one day and then he tested me, so all the things that they sent to him is trash. I said, yes, of course. Because in Istanbul, there are high quality and there's low quality. Now, if you are dealing with anyone, you will get what a low quality, but there are some specific people who do not sell below that standard. They always keep it to that level of let's say if you want a original like a Gucci bag or a Louis Vuitton bag, they produce the same thing like the original. So in this case, if you are dealing with this kind of people, it's kind of like it's kind of good because it helps you also to resell your goods. So in short, what I'm trying to say is that if you really want to deal with Turkey or you want to also do a business in a large quantity, hit us up, we will help you or guide you. If you really want to come here to do the business, we are ready to help you or to take you around to show you how the thing is being done. We handle the shipment. And then if you also want to do, if you buy something and you are trying to ship it to your country, you can also ship it to our warehouse and we will help you to get the goods to your destination. We do shipment also as well. So my name is Sharif, and then thank you so much for watching me. I know this video will help most of you who really don't understand how Turkish market works, and then I just want to draw your attention to certain things so that you will not make mistakes that others are making.